welcome to the East River Esplanade. There are a few areas of the Esplanade that are closed for construction, so I'm going to have to skip a few streets, but we'll do that and keep on walking. So I started right over there, which is 112th Street. So I'm going to start at 112th Street and walk all the way down, hopefully all the way down to the Seaport District. We'll see what I can do depending on closures and whatnot. This area here has been closed for years, apparently for construction or repairs, but I don't see any repairs being done and never have. That is the pedestrian bridge that you can take to walk to Randall's Island, which is right there. We went there for another video. It is a windy day today. I hope you can hear me, because I'm sure that the microphone is picking up all this wind. It's windy, but it's warm. Guess what I forgot to bring today? Yes, a bottle of water. I forgot again. After my experience in Nashville, I don't understand how I keep forgetting. I'm just so excited to get walking that I'm like, I'll get it later, and then I just forget. But we are in the city, so it just takes a little detour to find a bodega and get a bottle of water. Repairs everywhere. Even the birds and the butterflies have their own greenway. We're around 71st Street here, and it looks like some repairs have been made here. Very nice. There's the New York City Ferry. That's Roosevelt Island we see there with the lighthouse. Let's take a little detour to Carl Schurz Park. It's always nice to get a little shade. It's super sunny on the Esplanade. Finally got a bottle of water at this ice cream truck. Now let's go back to the Esplanade. This part of the Esplanade or Greenway is called the John Finley Walk. Further north, part of the Esplanade is known as the Bobby Wagner Walk. So the Esplanade is actually like a collection of different walks that are sort of being tied together to create this long Esplanade. I'm just now realizing that I gave you some wrong information. I was looking at the wrong sign. Now I'm actually entering 79th Street. Well, I'm not entering the street. I'm just walking along its entrance. 79th Street is right over there. And I had earlier said that I was around 71st Street. Well, that was clearly wrong. I cannot walk that fast. That would have meant like walking, I don't know, like 40 blocks in 5 minutes. Yeah, not that fast. I'm not that fast. Okay, looks like we have a detour here. Exit here to continue on the Greenway south of 71st Street. Exit here where? I can't cross. Let's go back. Here's our detour. So I guess now I will walk down East End Avenue, and hopefully I'll find something to eat because I'm starting to get hungry. I'm pretty sure this is the first time I've ever walked down East End Avenue in Manhattan. I'm pretty sure. I don't think I've been here before. Alright, so I am back at the area of the detour. I'm just gonna go this way. And hopefully I will be able to get back on the Esplanade soon. Or the John Finley Walk, or whatever you want to call it. It's all the same to me. This is the FDR Drive that is between me and the closed part of the Esplanade. I love these greenways and the access that I get to this wholesome muffler air. So fresh, so fresh. Okay, we have a very narrow path, but I'm a skinny girl, I can do this. Done. I actually fit through there, it's crazy. Okay, that's the end of the road here, so I'm gonna have to go back onto the street. My battery's dying, so now I definitely have to make a stop somewhere and charge my phone. I'm recording this with a phone, by the way, in case you were wondering. No fancy cameras here. It's an old phone too. The Steam Business Unit. Is this where they make all the video games? I know it's not. Shut up. Lunch is done. My tummy is full. Now I am back on the street. I'm crossing 67th Street and trying to find my way back to the Esplanade. Aha, that's where I want to go. Okay, this should be the way back to the Esplanade. There's our Esplanade and the Queensboro Bridge. This is also where you take the funicular over to Roosevelt Island, which is right there. All right, let's go. So I just got off the bridge that brings me to the open part of the Esplanade, and I noticed that looking north, there's a big part of it that is open. So I must have missed an entry. Well, I'm just gonna head south. There's the funicular. This whole part of the Esplanade looks brand new. Isn't it nice? We have another detour here. We have to go up this little ramp and then find our way back onto the Esplanade. That's a fun Joe, he said. cute is this? Aww. Oh, crap. So I must have gotten off on the wrong side. Okay, I gotta figure this out. Time for yet another detour. I'm on 53rd Street, so I'm gonna go onto First Avenue and figure my way onto the Esplanade again. Let's check this park out. Maybe there's a way onto the Esplanade. That's looking south. This is looking north. There's no way onto the Esplanade from here. Oh well. He's training for the fight of his life. And I'm just trying to find my way back onto the Esplanade. This is the UN building. Free Tibet. There's the Esplanade. There's people on it. How did they get there? This is turning out to be one heck of a mystery. I mean, I'm bad with directions, but geez, how do you get onto the Esplanade? There's got to be a way. Is that my sign? Is that my sign? According to this, it's closed again at 35th Street. I'm on 37th Street. So I'm just gonna go on the Esplanade for 2 blocks until there's another detour. Oh well. I will say that taking the New York City ferry is a wonderful way to see the city. It's only $4.50 and you can go from the Bronx all the way to Rockaway Beach. Totally worth it. How's this for a greenway? I mean, the bridge is green. Finally. Here we are. Took a while, but I finally got to the right spot. Let's hope there's not another detour. Something tells me there will be. Here we go again. Detour. If this is closed, I'm done. Alright. End of the road. This is the end of our trip today. End of our hike. On another occasion in the future, when more of the portions that are closed are open, I will again attempt to do the whole hike of the East River Esplanade. Not gonna lie, the views are gorgeous.